what I see here from this report that says here, the screw damaged the front windshield. She was unable to recall where the screw went, and she was terrified of him and thought he was going to hit her with the screw. I'm looking here at this image of the safe light replacement. Doesn't really give me much of a, I mean, all right, I'm just having a hard time with this concept that depending on how close he was, he threw a screw. Now, by the way, when I read the other report, yeah, oh my gosh, that's, yeah, that one's serious. That one involves grabbing her by the neck, throwing her down to the ground, preventing her from breathing approximately 5 seconds, dragging her outside by her hair and neck, thorns and plants, scratching her, tearing off articles of clothing, causing lacerations on part of her torso. Sure, that fits the aggravated domestic violence one. I don't know if I can accept the screw. I mean, if there was something in this report that says he had that screw wrapped up in his hands and he was going after her, but if he just threw a screw, for the record, I threw my pen, but not toward an individual because I didn't want anybody to think it was a weapon. I threw it toward my chamber door, and that's got to be at least 15 feet. That doesn't seem to be all that frightening. So I don't know how that is a assault with a felonious assault with a weapon. You went from count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, strangulation, which is a 10-year offense. In effect, you're dismissing that and then going with the domestic violence, which to me is odd because I don't understand why there's count 1 and 2. Right, count 1 is the strangulation one that I mentioned. Count 2 is the aggravated domestic violence without a weapon to inflict serious grievous bodily or inflict serious aggravated injury. Were those two charged as being the same event? How did those two get sent up here to the court?
So, Your Honor, the strangulation would be the suffocation, and then